Let's see the examples related to sphere. Example is, find the center and radius of the circle of intersection of the sphere by the plane. So here it is, we have to find the center and radius of a circle which is formed by the intersection of sphere by the plane. So here it is, equation of sphere is given and equation of plane is given. In a solution, if we see, here it is our sphere whose center we can find by center of the circle is a foot of that perpendicular from the center of sphere. So we can find the coordinates of the center of a sphere by the general equation. So here it is, given equation which is the equation of sphere, which is already given, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2y minus 4z minus 11 is equal to 0. We compare this equation with the general equation of sphere, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. If we compare these two, then we'll see that twice u is equal to 0, so u is equal to 0. Twice v is equal to minus 2, so v is equal to minus 1. Twice w is equal to minus 4, so w is equal to minus 2. So that center of a sphere is equal to minus u minus v minus w, that is the centers are 0, 1 and 2. Now equation of plane is already given, that is x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 15. Therefore we can find the direction ratios of normal to the given plane, which are nothing but the coefficients of x, y and z, that is 1, 2, 2. Next we can find the equation of line, that is the equation of line, here it is, equation of line CP, equation of line CP through center of a sphere and perpendicular to the plane, that is x minus 0 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to k say, that is we are taking here x is equals to k, y is equals to 2k plus 1, z is equals to 2k plus 2, which are the required coordinates of center of a circle, which are required coordinates of center of circle that we have to find in a next step. So that right now we have required coordinates of center of circles, that is coordinates of a point P, which are k, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2. For foot of the perpendicular, this must lie on a given plane. Now here we have equation of plane, which is x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 15. So that this required coordinates will put up into the equation of plane, so that it should satisfy the equation of plane. Here it is, k plus 2 times 2k plus 1 plus 2 times 2k plus 2 is equals to 15. So this satisfies the equation of plane, that's why we can find the equation value of k from this. So value of k is equals to 1. If you put value of k is equal to 1 in the given required coordinates, so that actual coordinates of point P, that is the center of a circles, are 1, 3, 4. Now to find the distance CP, right now we have the coordinates of center of a sphere and right now the coordinates of center of circle. From that we can find the distance CP, which is a square root of this 1 minus 0 square plus 3 minus 0 square plus 4 minus 2 whole bracket square. If you solve this, we'll get distance CP is equal to 3. So if we check here, right now we have coordinates of center of a sphere, which is 0, 1, 2, then the coordinates of circle also and distance of CP. If we find distance CQ further, that means a radius of a sphere, already we can find the radius of sphere by the given equation also, then we could find the radius of a circle which is formed by the intersection of sphere by the plane. So right now we have distance CP. If we have to find distance CQ, so distance CQ, which is already a radius of a given sphere, So by the formula, radius of a given sphere, square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So if you put the values of u, v and w here itself, we can find a radius of sphere. So radius of sphere is equals to 4. So right now we have a radius of a circle which is pq because of formula of square root of cq square minus cp square. Right now we have distance cq and cp. So after putting the value, we will get the radius of a circle which is nothing but square root 7. That means in this here we are finding the center and radius of a circle formed by intersection of sphere by the plane. Now here it is the additional thing, that is a note. We can find the distance cp by another way. Distance cp can also be obtained by finding length of perpendicular from the center, that is the coordinates are 0, 1, 2, on to the given plane, which is, that is by the formula. Here already we have the equation of plane, then the coordinates of center of the sphere. So by the formula we can find the distance cp from second method also. So here we have two different methods for finding the distance cp, which is a perpendicular distance, that is answer is 3. Okay, so this is the example on a sphere. So that here we have find equation center and radius of a circle of intersection of sphere by the plane. Thank you.